In this video, let's learn how to use ON1 NoNoise AI 2021 as a plugin through Capture One. Inside of Capture One, I have the image selected that I want to denoise. Let's head up here to the top bar. I'm going to choose Image, Edit With, and then ON1 NoNoise Standalone 2021. It's opened the image up inside of NoNoise AI, and I can see it's doing a really great job of reducing that noise in the image. I'm just going to pull up on the luminance all the way and add in a little bit more detail and a bit of sharpening as well. And then we can just go down to Done. And now we can scroll to the side here, and we can select this D&G. And with that photo we've created, it looks really great with the noise reduction and sharpening that we've applied, but Capture One is also applying a default noise reduction and sharpening as well, which we don't want because then it's just going to have a bunch of different noise reduction and sharpening going on, and it's not going to look great. So let's just make sure we're just seeing the no noise modifications only. Let's just head over here to the left side of the screen. I'm going to select this details icon here. And in our details, we're just going to pull down the sharpening all the way to 0. We're going to pull down the luminance, noise reduction, details, and color all the way to 0. So now we're just left with that no noise AI noise reduction on our image.